Welcome to my books and storytime by MyBookSummary.com. Scott Barry Kaufman's Ungifted. Intelligence Redefined is a compelling exploration of what intelligence truly means and how traditional definitions fail to capture the full scope of human potential. Kaufman, a cognitive psychologist, draws on his personal experiences, scientific research, and psychological theories to challenge conventional ideas about IQ, giftedness, and talent. By weaving together personal narratives with empirical data, he makes a strong case for a broader and more inclusive understanding of intelligence. The book takes readers on a journey through the history of intelligence testing, the limitations of standardized assessments, and the impact of labeling individuals as gifted or ungifted. Kaufman's perspective is particularly powerful because he himself was once labeled as having a learning disability. His journey from special education to becoming one of the leading researchers in intelligence studies serves as a testament to the idea that intelligence is not a fixed trait but a dynamic, evolving capability that can be nurtured in various ways. Kaufman's work challenges the rigidity of traditional IQ tests and highlights alternative ways to measure and foster intelligence, creativity, and potential. He presents a hopeful and inspiring message. Intelligence is multifaceted, deeply personal, and shaped by motivation, perseverance, and life experiences. The traditional view of intelligence. For much of history, intelligence has been narrowly defined by standardized tests, particularly IQ tests. These tests were designed to measure cognitive abilities such as memory, problem-solving, and logical reasoning. However, Kaufman argues that this traditional model is deeply flawed because it ignores many other crucial aspects of intelligence, such as creativity, emotional intelligence, and practical skills. One of the central criticisms Kaufman presents is that IQ tests create artificial boundaries between people, labeling some as gifted and others as ungifted. These labels can have profound effects on individual self-perception, motivation, and opportunities. People who are deemed gifted may receive special educational privileges, while those labeled as ungifted may be placed in remedial programs that limit their intellectual growth. Kaufman also delves into the history of intelligence testing, highlighting figures like Alfred Binet, who originally developed IQ tests to help struggling students. Ironically, Binet himself warned against using his test as a definitive measure of intelligence. Over time, however, these tests became a rigid standard for categorizing individuals, often reinforcing societal biases and inequalities. The limitations of IQ tests. IQ tests, as Kaufman explains, fail to capture the full range of human intelligence. While they can assess certain cognitive abilities, they do not account for factors like creativity, passion, curiosity, and resilience, all of which are essential for success in life. For example, Kaufman discusses how many highly successful individuals, including entrepreneurs, artists, and scientists, would not necessarily score in the gifted range on an IQ test. Yet, through their perseverance, motivation, and innovative thinking, they have achieved extraordinary accomplishments. Intelligence, in Kaufman's view, is not a static score but a fluid and evolving process that depends on an individual's environment, opportunities, and mindset. Moreover, Kaufman highlights research showing that intelligence is not solely determined by genetics, but is also influenced by experience and learning. The brain is highly adaptable, capable of forming new neural connections throughout life. This means that intelligence can be cultivated and expanded through education, practice, and meaningful engagement with the world. Personal experience. Kaufman's own journey. One of the most powerful aspects of Ungifted is Kaufman's personal story. As a child, he was diagnosed with a learning disability and placed in special education classes. His early experiences led him to believe that he was not intelligent, reinforcing a sense of limitation and self-doubt. However, Kaufman's curiosity and love for learning persisted. Through perseverance and self-discovery, he found ways to bypass traditional barriers and redefine his own intellectual potential. He eventually went on to study at prestigious institutions, including Yale and Cambridge, proving that intelligence is far more than a test score. Kaufman's story serves as an inspiration to anyone who has ever felt limited by labels or societal expectations. He emphasizes that the key to unlocking intelligence lies in nurturing one's passions, embracing curiosity, and maintaining a growth mindset. A new model of intelligence, the theory of personal intelligence. Kaufman proposes an alternative to traditional intelligence models called personal intelligence. This framework considers a person's unique strengths, interests, and motivations rather than relying solely on standardized assessments. According to Kaufman, personal intelligence includes intrinsic motivation, the desire to learn and explore for personal fulfillment rather than external rewards. Creative thinking, the ability to generate innovative ideas and approach problems from different perspectives. Resilience and grit, the capacity to persist in the face of challenges and setbacks. Emotional intelligence, understanding and managing one's emotions and forming meaningful relationships. Adaptive learning, the ability to adjust to new situations, absorb new knowledge, and apply it effectively. This holistic approach provides a much richer and more accurate understanding of intelligence, allowing individuals to maximize their potential in ways that traditional IQ tests fail to recognize. Final thoughts. Intelligence as a lifelong journey. Kaufman's Ungifted is a powerful reminder that intelligence cannot be reduced to a single number. It is a complex, evolving quality shaped by personal experiences, passion, perseverance, and adaptability. The book challenges the damaging effects of labeling individuals as gifted or ungifted and encourages educators, parents, and society as a whole to rethink how we define and cultivate intelligence. Kaufman's research and personal journey demonstrate that intelligence is deeply individual and that everyone has unique gifts that can be nurtured and developed. Stay tuned for more enlightening content. Head over to www.mybooksummary.com. Don't forget to subscribe and share the magic with friends. And let's grow together through the power of books and interesting stories.